Assalamu alaikum. I am Sidra Yusuf, teacher of class Nursery. Today I am here for the subject of general knowledge and my topic is parts of body. Everybody knows the name of parts of body. If anybody don't know, don't worry, we will learn it today. Okay? Come on, learn with me. What is this? This is eyes. What is this? This is eyes. And what is this? This is nose. This is nose. This is eyes. This is nose. And what is this? This is mouth. This is mouth. This is mouth. What is this? This is hand. This is hand. What is this? Do you know? This is elbow. This is elbow. And what is this? This is knee. This is knee. This is knee. Move towards the hair. What is this? This is hair. This is hair. And what is this? This is head. This is head. Under the hair, this is head. Under the hair, this is head. What is this? This is finger. This is finger. This is fingers. And what is this? This is ear. This is ear. This is ear. What is this? This is foot. This is foot. This is foot. Come on, hope you are learned the parts of body. Come and touch with me your parts of body. Eyes. 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 Nose. Nose. Ear. Ear. Head. Head. Hair. Hair. Mouth. Mouth. Hand. Hand. Elbow. Touch your elbows. Elbow. Elbow. Finger. Finger. Knee. Foot. Foot. Hope you are enjoying the names of part of body and you will know these are. Thank you so much.